Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be talking about how to combine photos on an iPhone. First, what you need to do is create a shortcut for that. So go to your app library and search in shortcuts. Open your shortcuts and click on plus icon over here. After that, you want to click on search action, and you can and you have to type in select photo. Click on select photo, and you want to click on this tick over here, and you want to click on this arrow over here and click on select multiple, and you want to click on select multiple. After that, you want to search action again, and now you have to search for combine images, and you have to type on this arrow once again and click on horizontally and select inner grid. After that, you have to search for the action again and click on save to photos. Click on save to photos, and you have to run that shortcut. After that, you can select the photos that you want to combine and click on tick mark over here. After that, your photo has been combined and already saved to your recents. Go to your photos, and here you will see their combined photo over here. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave them down in the comments below.